the first thing you need to know is to know the direction. Where are you going? Before you start to build anything on the slide, you ask yourself, what is the purpose of my presentation? What is the objective? What is it that I want to achieve? I think once you know that, then you know very clearly what you should put on the slide. And many people never think about, oh, what is my purpose of the presentation? What is it that I want to achieve? What do I actually want my audience to take away? Without that clearly defined, then you find that you will put a lot of unnecessary things on your slide. That's why the slides get cluttered. And many of the times we always tell ourselves, oh, I think maybe I need this. Let's put it in just in case. And if you have a lot of slides that is just in case I need it, definitely everything is very messy. So you got to be very clear. That is what I would advise those people who want to start with a high impact presentation to go through the process of thinking before you build your presentation slide.